Alright, today I'm going to show you guys a quick tutorial on how to train your bot on a sitemap. So you can go ahead and go to the bots page right here, and you can click on the bot that you want to use. I'll be using this one, and then you can click for your source, a sitemap. And what this does is that it will actually go through your source URL and go through all the sitemaps and download all the HTML pages and add it to the bot's index so that it can answer questions straight from it. So for my source URL, I'll just use docsbot URL. Keep it simple. And it will index the source. So just give it a second here. You can see it pulled every single HTML page and URL it could find. There's 89 of them on here, and now you can just ask your bot any question you want straight from it. So we could ask, does docsbot have documentation? We'll see what it says. Look at that right there. It leads you right to where the documentation is, and it's very helpful. And so our bot is fully trained and ready to go. This can help you navigate your website easily, your employees, other people, just all around very useful features. So I hope you make great use of it.